What if the biggest breakthrough in healthcare AI isn't diagnosing disease, but eliminating paperwork? Because right now, doctors are drowning in admin work, and Amazon Web Services just made a serious move to fix that. The company has launched Amazon Connect Health, a new AI agent-powered platform designed specifically for healthcare providers. And this isn't just another chatbot. These are AI agents that can actually take action, handling repetitive tasks like appointment scheduling, patient verification, and clinical documentation. Here's the real insight. Healthcare doesn't just have a talent problem, it has a time problem. Physicians often spend hours on admin instead of patient care. So instead of trying to replace doctors, AWS is going after the bottleneck that slows everything down. Before we go deeper, if you care about how AI is actually transforming industries in practical ways, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Amazon Connect Health is built to plug directly into existing systems like electronic health records, which means providers don't need to rip and replace their current tools. It's also HIPAA eligible, which is critical in a space where compliance isn't optional. Right now, the platform supports features like patient verification and something called ambient documentation, which essentially means capturing and organizing clinical notes automatically. Appointment scheduling and patient insights are already in preview, while medical coding and additional capabilities are expected to roll out soon. Pricing is also clearly aimed at real-world usage. It starts at $99 per user per month for up to 600 patient encounters. For context, most primary care physicians handle around 300 encounters monthly, so AWS is positioning this as both scalable and cost-effective. This move didn't come out of nowhere. AWS has been building toward this for years. Back in 2018, they launched Amazon Comprehend Medical to process unstructured medical data. Then, in 2021, came Amazon HealthLake to organize healthcare information. In 2022, they added AWS HealthOmics for genomics and research. But this is their first major step into AI agents that can actually execute workflows inside a compliant healthcare environment. That's a big shift from analysis to action. And AWS isn't alone here. Startups like Regard and Notable have been tackling physician burnout for years by automating note-taking, intake, and scheduling. At the same time, larger AI players are moving fast. OpenAI recently introduced ChatGPT Health, while Anthropic launched Claude for healthcare. These tools focus more on answering medical questions and assisting professionals, though not all are designed to be fully HIPAA compliant on the consumer side. What makes Amazon Connect Health different is its focus on back-end operations. It's not trying to be the face of healthcare, it's trying to be the engine behind it. And zooming out, this is part of a much bigger strategy. Amazon has been quietly building a healthcare ecosystem for years. They acquired PillPack for about $1 billion in 2018, then bought One Medical for $3.9 billion in 2022. Since then, they've integrated services like same-day prescription delivery and even same-day virtual doctor visits for kids. So this isn't experimentation, it's execution. Here's the bottom line. AI in healthcare isn't just about smarter diagnoses. It's about removing friction. The companies that win won't just build smarter models, they'll give time back to the people delivering care. If AWS can truly reduce administrative burden at scale, that's not just a product win, that's a system-level shift. And if you want to stay ahead of where AI is actually creating real business impact, make sure you're subscribed. Check out the related video in the corner next for a deeper breakdown of how AI agents are reshaping entire industries.